So now let's come with me and explore 8th class, where the students of 8th class are sitting, and let's see how they are dealing the test and how's their test going. So come with me. Okay students, how's your test going? Good, very nice. And how much time do you need? Okay. कैसे जा रहा है आपका टेस्ट? So thumbs up दे दें फिर अगर अच्छा जा रहा है आपका. Thumbs up. Good. Best of luck students. Okay, now we have grade 6. Come and let's see how they are dealing. Okay students, how's your test so far? अच्छा जा रहा है आपका टेस्ट? हो गया, okay. Okay, so this was our grade 6, where the students who are ready to enter into the grade 6 were sitting there, and now we are going to the grade 7, where the students from grade 6 to 7 are present. Okay, come. Okay, grade 7 कैसा जा रहा है आप लोगों का टेस्ट? हो गया? Okay, so जिन का अच्छा टेस्ट हुआ है सारे जरा ऊंचे से thumb up दे दें. Good job. Here we have students from 3 different groups, biology, computer, and students from government sector who were given different tests compared to the 9th class students of grade 9th bio and 9th computer students. So come with me. Okay, so you are left with really short time. So how's been your test so far? Talha, how's been your test? Okay, can I see your sheets? Was it easy?
Yes, ma'am.
As we had students from the board classes there, and they were like quite serious, not because they didn't know the test, but because they are like quite concerned about their test, and then they were fully focused on their test. So I really wish them best of luck, and I really hope they get their scholarships, inshallah, purely on the merit basis, the merit that they deserve for their better future. So now come with me and explore the students of grade 4th, grade 5th, and the junior grades. Okay, so here we have grade 5th. So the really enthusiastic students are sitting here. So come with me and explore how's their test going so far. Okay, students of grade 5th, कैसा जा रहा है आप लोगों का टेस्ट? बहुत अच्छा जा रहा है. Okay, as you can see their excitement level. Okay, so you can see there were little champs were sitting there, and they were all excited about their scholarship test, and I really wish their smile never fades and their passion never fades. So I wish them best of luck, and here we have grade 4th. Okay, grade 4th, are you done with your test?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how was the test? Was it easy?
Yes, ma'am.
Now come with me and explore the junior classes where we have the little dreamers sitting. Okay, now I will take you to grade 1, grade 2, and grade 3rd, where there are all little champs and the little dreamers are sitting there, and let's see how was their test and how they dealt that stressful situation. So come. Okay, grade 3, are you done with your test?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how was it? Was it easy?
Yes, ma'am.
Easy peasy?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, चलो जिनका टेस्ट अच्छा हुआ जरा thumbs up दे दें. Good, सबका अच्छा हुआ है, double thumbs up. Good job. Come with me and see how the students of grade 2 are doing. Okay, grade 2, are you done with your test now? Okay, was it easy?
Yes, ma'am.
Any problem, any confusion?
No, ma'am.
कैसा हुआ फातिमा आपका टेस्ट?
बहुत अच्छा.
बहुत अच्छा हुआ. Was it easy?
यस मैम.
Okay, तो आपको लगता है आप स्कॉलरशिप ले लेंगी?
यस मैम.
Okay, here we have students of grade 1. The students actually, they are moving from nursery to grade 1. I can see really proud faces sitting here, and I really wish all the students best of luck students. And I really wish all of them secure the scholarship purely on merit basis that she actually deserve for their better future. So this was it about our scholarship test, and there are a few more details that I really want all of you to know. That is, our result, a scholarship test result will be displayed and will be officially declared on 6th of April 2026, inshallah, on our website. And you can simply check our visit our website by clicking www.pakistan.edu on Google, and there you will see our website. Just by clicking on Pakistan, you will see the headline there, scholarship test result, and just by clicking on that, the merit list will be appeared on your screen, and there you can see your child's result. And yes, if you want to visit the campus to see the result, the choice is totally yours, and you can visit the campus, and there the merit list will be displayed, and on the basis of that, scholarships will be awarded to your child.